ẹgbẹ́ àwọn gómìnà lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ti sọ pé àwọn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ààbò oúnjẹ, àwọn iṣẹ́ ìdàgbàsókè àti àwọn nǹkan mìíràn. Alága ẹgbẹ́ àwọn gómìnà lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà, gómìnà Abdulrahman Abdulrazak tìpínlẹ̀ Kwara ló sọ èyí di mímọ̀ láìpẹ́ yìí lásìkò àbẹ̀wò tí àwọn aṣojú ẹgbẹ́ náà ṣe lọ sílé Ààrẹ Tinubu nílùú Èkó. Níbẹ̀ ni gómìnà Abdulrazak ti ṣàlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ fún ààrẹ nípa ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ààbò oúnjẹ, iṣẹ́ àkànṣe ìdàgbàsókè àti ètò ààbò ìlú dé dúró lọ́dún 2024 tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ parí. Ọjọ́rú ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí tí í ṣe ọjọ́ kìíní oṣù kìíní ọdún 2025 ni ẹgbẹ́ àwọn gómìnà ọ̀hún lọ kí Ààrẹ Tinubu kú ayẹyẹ ọdún tuntun. Bákan náà ni gómìnà Abdulrazak tún sọ àwọn ipa pàtàkì tó ti kó nípínlẹ̀ Kwara àti àwọn ìrànwọ́ tó ń ṣe fún àwọn gómìnà akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ láti lè jẹ́ kí àwọn náà máa tẹ̀síwájú nípínlẹ̀ wọn ní ìbámu pẹ̀lú àtúntò tí Ààrẹ Tinubu ń ṣe. Àlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ lẹ́nu gómìnà Abdulrazak.
When I saw Man of the Year, as indeed said, well, indeed, we're on the right track, and it's about sustainability. The journey will be difficult, but we're seeing light at the end of the tunnel. This is a major endorsement of what you're doing, your doggedness and staying on track. Most leaders would have fallen way back or backtracked, made a U-turn, but we encourage you to keep up the reforms, and we're with you, the governors are with you to work with you. Yes, there are challenges and the engagements, but we thank God, we've crossed over to this year. I say Alhamdulillah, 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 Rabbil Alameen. We thank God that we're here today to dine with you, to felicitate with you, to greet you. The policies are working. Agriculture, I was in Jigawa State. The complaint in Jigawa was that there's a bumper harvest, but because of the strength of our currency, the harvest is being exported out. So most of us are encouraging ourselves to buy bumper stocks into our silos, store them for the rainy day. So in terms of agriculture, the policy is working. We'll continue to deepen that and make sure we're not just 100% sustained in food security, but we feed the whole of West Africa. That's the target. And the security front, I say congratulations. Things are changing. It shows that the government is on the attack. Security is improving. Well done, sir. We'll continue to encourage you. And all the states also will continue to contribute to our local security architecture to make sure things fare better. On the political front, you can see political parties of different, Delta is here from PDP, Kano is here from NMPP. We're working together. Enugu State is here as well. So, and of course, PGF chairman with his strong delegation. So we're working together. It is one Nigeria, sir. We have a target. We all have the same target. Progress, prosperity, sir. So we'll continue to work in that direction and to make sure we support you, we support each other. We're going on with our peer reviews in many cases and making sure that we deliver in our various states to the people, the mandate. I would say, confess that I've not done 2 years in this administration, but I've done more projects in my less than 2 years and in the 4 years of my first term. And that is due to the structural adjustment program you're doing. Restructuring the economy means that we're getting more funding. Yes, there's inflation, but what we're getting overrides the inflation, and we're delivering a lot. As this year begins, I know for sure you'll be visiting many states, and you'll see firsthand the transformation going on at subnational level. You'll be proud of what you see in various states. You've come to Lagos State, you've seen how Lagos has changed. People marveled at the transformation in Lagos. The blue line, red line oncoming. Yes, it's fantastic, but same is going on in each and every state in Nigeria. If you go to Delta, Rivers, they're building infrastructure that is unimaginable in terms of road infrastructure. Even though their budget dwarfs our budgets, but they're delivering, sir. So we're all delivering. All the states are delivering. all hands on deck. We continue to support you in office and say we wish you a very good year and continue with the programs for Nigeria. Thank you very much, sir.
Àwíkóńkó fún ìpínlẹ̀kẹ̀ òtítọ́ àti àwíjàre ẹ tẹ̀lé wa lórí YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter àti TikTok pẹ̀lú www.awikonko.com.ng.